So we've just passed Cooktown and are about to turn left. Pull the Genoa out to the starboard side and go dead square. Good. Hold. That should do for that one. We're turning left now. Ready? Bowline. That is harder.
I prefer your
easy.
exercise. My exercise. It's too complicated.
Like that.
Yes. I think so.
Well, it's not
Or
perfect.
maybe. No.
No?
No.
No!
No. Try again.
Try again. So.
That should be it, no?
Ah, no,
yeah,
it's yes!
yeah, it's yes.
Yes!
It is a lot
Come
of
on,
work.
I kept doing
Okay.
you can do it.
So far,
You can do it.
so good.
Very important to.
This is the most important job on the boat.
Yeah.
The ropes.
Turtle. I thought you were moving.
I'm just gonna put some fuel in this thing so. The wind will go from being back there to coming from there. We want to put the sail back on that side of the boat. I'm going to need you see this blue, the line that goes to the top of the pole there? Use this one. It actually eases it down. So
Release that.
don't release. Never just release.
No, I'm
Because then
Really slowly.
pull on this and it goes up and you let slowly. So all you have to do is lower that when I say. But it's going to go like that.
in the water.
No.
No.
We so this goes
But not
up,
in the water.
it's not in, it's going to go to there. Okay? We may need to do that at night time.
At night time.
At night time.
At night time.
Because the wind changes night time.
But maybe the wind is not gonna change.
Maybe.
Maybe.
If the wind doesn't change, it's gonna skip this.
Yeah.
It's gonna
Yeah, we're
so
going
it's
good.
dangerous.
It's difficult.
Can I stop or?
It's difficult. We're good. We'll figure it out. Do not know how to cook veggie burger.
Just cook.
I mean, it doesn't sound like it's cooking.
Well, I think you can. Have you already done?
It doesn't look like it's cooking.
It's cool.
I don't know, man.